Hello everyone. First of all, a warm welcome to CBS Institute YouTube channel. I'm Naveen Raju, Quantitative Reasoning Trainer, Aptitude Trainer in CBS Institute. So, in this channel, we're going to provide videos regarding bank, SSC, and RRB and other entrance exams. So, if you like my work, and don't forget to hit like button and comment and subscribe also, because it helps me to create more videos of related competitive examination also. By the way, today we're going to discuss about an important topic of profit and loss. It is a lesson number 4. So what is the topic is modification of cost price and selling price. This is a very important. This modification happen in 3 phases. Like changing of selling price, first phase is more happen model in competitive examination, and second one changing of cost price, and third one both changing of cost price and selling price too also both are changing. These are the 3 modification models in topic of profit and loss. Today we are going to discuss about complete questions on modification of cost price as well as selling price also. So basically modifications, if a matter of modification means what, changing of selling price, changing of cost price, it done either in it is quantifier level like profit percentage or loss percentage, either at modification done at a price level also. Okay, so price level is very bit of easy to answer modification question. When the question is changes in quantifier, better to use a fraction concept. Better to use which concept? A fraction concept. This concept is most eminent concept to solve modification of selling price and modification of cost price. Then why are you waiting? Let's get into topic of modification. So let's get into first question. An article is sold at a certain price. It's sold at a 33.33% of selling price. There is a loss of 35%. And what is the percent of profit when it's sold at 60% of selling prices? Once again, I repeat the question. An article sold at a certain price. So nothing but what? We didn't know about an selling price of an article. So when it tried to sold at 33.33% of selling price, nothing but what? The actual selling price is like an X. So when it try to sold 33.33% means 1/3 of X value, 1/3 of selling prices. When try to sold 1/3 of selling prices, he get a loss. So what is the loss percentage? 35% loss. So find the percent of profit. Find the percent of profit when he trying to sold at a 60% of selling prices. What is the 60% of selling prices? When you have this kind of question, you first of all focus on what type of quantifier given in the question. So here the 2 quantifiers are given. One is modification quantifier and other is a result quantifier. Result quantifier means what? Profit and a loss it is. So that is basic fundamental. First we need to find the quantifier. We have a 2 type of quantifier it is. One is modification quantifiers. There are 2 given. One is 33.33% change and second one 60% change. And the result quantifier is nothing but what? Loss percentage is given here it is. So this type of commanding on question, you get an answer in just 10 seconds enough to answer this one. Okay, get my point? So directly here it is price is changed but cost price keep constant. Cost price is same. There is no changes in cost price. The first selling price we're going to discuss about so 33.33% change is how much? 33.33% change. Okay, so nothing but what? 1/3. What is this? 1/3. Okay, so nothing but what? And the second selling price is now selling price change it is 60%. 60% nothing but what? 3/5. What is this? And 3/5. So get my point? So this is a value which is given it is. Okay, so but so third actual selling price here 3 parts, here 5 parts. So but selling price is same. You do LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? How much it is? 15. So 15 onwards means how many times do it is? 5 times. How many times you do is 5 times. Okay, put a ratio. And how many times do it is? 3 times. 3 is how much? 9. Okay, get my point? This is simple fundamental to get my point into a proper ratio concept. Okay, here the selling price. So 33% of selling price. Off indication means what? Total. So this is a selling price and this is a selling price. Okay, so the total selling price is constant. Total selling price how many parts? 15 parts. Upon 15 1/3 means how many parts it is? 5 parts. Upon 15 3/5 how many parts? 9 parts. Okay, so this is given. Now here it is sold at a loss of 35%. Loss of how much percent? 35%. Nothing but what? It would be 65. Okay, it would be how much? 65. 35% loss means what? What is the 65? So 65 how many times to get it is? 13 times. So there also it is 13 times. 13 nines are how much? 117. So this is Upon 100, how much less? 35% less. Upon 100, how much more? 17% more. That is 17% is a profit of your desirable question. Okay, get my point? In this scenario, the cost price is constant and the changes, modification is only happen from selling prices. Here the denominator half means what? Total indication. Here the selling price 3 parts, here selling price 5 parts. But the common certain selling price is constant, that is 15 parts. So upon 15, 1/3 means how many parts? 5 parts. When you trying to solve it 5 parts, you get a loss of 35%. It means what? Selling price how much? 65. In 5 table, 65 how many times to get? 13 times. So it is a ratio. Because cost price is same, I can solve the question through the ratio concept. Okay, so 5 13s are, so therefore this number, this value also multiplied by 13. 9 13s are how much? 117. How much above 100? 17%. So this is a way to answer the question. Why I use ratio concept? Because here the comparison happened. Nothing but what? Modification means what? Comparison. Modification indirectly meaning of comparison. When comparison word rises, students try to use 3 concepts: percentage concept, fraction concept, and ratio concept also. So this is a basic conceptual learning method. Okay, so I hope you understand this totally of ratio concept. Okay. You can answer this question with help of ratio concept. In the previous video, we did a question with the help of fraction concept. You can go through the ratio concept because here the cost price is same. Cost price is same. Okay. First one, how much it is? 33.33% of selling price means 1/3 of selling price. How much it is? 1/3 of selling price. And second fraction is almost 60%. 60% means how much? 3/5. Okay. So put a ratio 1/3 is to 3/5. Now LCM is how much? 5:9. LCM is how much? 5:9. Okay, this is. So LCM is, what is the ratio of this one? 5:9. So first of all, how much loss to sold? 35%. 35% loss means how much it is? 65. 65 in 5 table how many times? 13 times. When do it is 13 times? 13 sevens are how much? 117. How much above 100? 17%. So answer is 17% is the right answer. You can answer this question through the ratio concept also. Okay, ratio and fractional bitwise of same, but modification is sometimes it changes, like either it is given in profit percentage or loss percentage, very important. But here it is modification is given, selling price modification is given. Okay, don't add a numerator to the denominator because it's a 33.33% of selling price, not a quantifier is given. 33.33% of selling price means 1/3 of selling price, 3/5 of selling price. Therefore, in 5 table, to get a 65, multiply with 13. So here also 39. 13s are 117. How much above 100? 17. So your answer is 17%. You can do answer with a ratio concept also. Okay. Let's go for the second question. An article is sold at certain price. It's sold at a 45% of selling price. There is a loss of 19%. And what is the percent of profit when sold at 60% of selling price? The main intention of question, we didn't know the selling price. So what is this? So selling price related to X value. When try to sold it as 45% of selling price, means modification happened from selling price. When modification of selling price happened, definitely end quantifier try to definitely change. What is the end quantifier? Loss to 19%. When selling price again modification to 60%, and what is a quantifier? Either it is profit percent or loss percent. Already directly mentioned profit percent. It means what? You can directly answer this question. Okay, directly meaning the cost price is same. So cost price is same, you can use the concept of ratio. Okay, and here the first selling price is first change how much it is? 45%. 45% means how much? 9/20. And the second time selling price has changed to how much it is? 60%. 60% means how much? 3/5. So therefore LCM of 5, 20 and 5 is how much? 20. Okay, get my point? It is how much? 20. Okay, so therefore, so sudden selling price means what? Selling price also unconstant. But apart from the selling price, here use 45% of selling price. Here use 60% of selling price. So 20 how many times? 1 times. 1 into 9, 9. So first selling price how many parts? 9 parts. And 5 how many times? 4 times. 4 3s are how much? It is 12. Okay, so 12. Therefore, in this scenario, you get a loss. How much loss? 19% loss. 19% loss means for selling price how many parts? 81 parts. Okay, so 81 parts. 81 means how many times to do? 9 times. Similarly, you can do 9 times of this article. It's okay. 9 times of article, it is nothing but what? 12 lines are how much? 108. Okay, so 100 upon 81 upon 100, how much loss? 19% loss. So 108 upon 100, how much profit? 8% profit. So option is an absolute answer. Okay, so no need to go for let it off 100 rupees, 200 rupees lengthy process. You can directly go for this concept. Okay, why I use ratio concept? Because its cost price is constant. So when selling price modification up to 45% means what? 9 by 20. When selling price modification up to 60%, it's 3 by 5. So here the selling price is must be LCM. LCM is how much? 20. Actual selling price 20, but upon 20 it sold at 9 parts. 9 parts you get how much loss? 81. So 19% loss. What is the selling price? Is 81 rupees. So 20 how many times to get on table of 5? 4 times. So 4 3s are 12. When try to solve at 12 parts means 9 9s are 81, 12 9s are 108. How much above 100? 8 rupees. So therefore 8% is the profit of the finances. This is a modification happened from selling prices. Okay. Let's go answer this question with ratio concept also. So in ratio concept, how to do it is, the first quantifier it is 45%. So 45% means nothing but what? 9 by 20. And the second quantifier it is 60%. 60% nothing but what? 3 by 5. So 9 by 20 is 2 and 3 by 5. So 5 how many times? 4 times. 3 how many times? 3 times. It would be 3:4. Okay, it would be 3:4. Okay, get my point? So 3:4 is also given. So therefore first one, how much loss? 19% loss. It means how much? 81. How many times did it reach? 27 times. So therefore it is also 27 times. 27 4s are how much? 108. So how much above 100? 8% profit. Okay, how much answer? 8% is the right answer. Okay, so therefore what is the ratio? It is 3:4. Okay, so when it sold at a 19% loss, 19% loss means what? How much it is? 81. So 19% loss means 81. So 327 is how much? 81. So therefore you multiply also 27. 420 is how much? 108. So therefore what is the profit of the answer? 8% is the profit of the answer. So you can easily answer this question with percentage, ratio and fraction also. Mostly ratio and fraction is easy to answer this. Okay, let's go for the next question. Let's go for the next model. Here in this question, cost price is going to be modified, selling price is going to be modified. But how many quantifiers are given in question? Let's look at it. If selling price is triple, if means condition, if selling price is triple and cost price is double, it means selling price also changed and cost price also changed. When selling price triple and cost price double, then the percentage of profit becomes 65%. So when a selling price triple and cost price double, then the percentage of profit becomes 65%. Find the profit percent. Means what? Actual profit percent is how much? When selling price is X rupees, it is tripled. When cost price is Y rupees, it doubled. But then the profit become how much? 65%. So in this question, you just focus how many quantifiers specifically mentioned in question. Only one quantifier, 65%. This is which quantifier? Is it change of price or end quantifier? It is end quantifier. Get my point? So it's not a change of selling price. It's an end quantifier. 65% means 13 by 20. 13 by 20. Therefore, here cost price is how much? 20 rupees and selling price how much? 33 rupees. Get my point? So because it's a quantifier, end quantifier, not modification of selling price, modification of cost price. It's end quantifier, 65%. Get my point? It's not a quantifier change of selling price, quantifier change of cost price. It's a completely end quantifier like profit percentage, loss percentage. These are the end quantifier. Okay, therefore cost price is 20 rupees. Upon 20 is sold at 20, you get a profit on 13 rupees. Therefore selling price is 33 rupees. So this is actually already how many times double? So nothing but what? Divided by 2, it gives how much? 10 rupees. So it how many times? Triple. Divided by 3, how much? 11 rupees. Therefore, get my point? So cost price is 10 rupees, selling price is 11 rupees. Profit is how much percentage? 10%. Okay, get my point? So 10 rupees. Upon 10 sold 11 rupees. What is the profit? 1 rupee. So 1 by 10 is how much percentage? 10% profit. Option D is the right answer. Simple method. So no worry about doing in a like little X and Y time taking procedure. Okay, you just focus on what type of quantifier specifically mentioned in question. That is a very important task for all competitors while you're doing on profit and loss question. So if the quantifier is end quantifier, that is profit percentage is given. 65% nothing but about 13 by 20. Now cost price is 20 rupees. When you add 13 profit, the selling price would be 33 rupees. So when it is double the price, not a common price, it's a double price. So double means what? Divided by 2, reverse. We get back to the original price. Get back to the original price means what? Divided by 2. What is the original cost price? 10 rupees. It is already tripled the price. So I get back to to the original cost selling price divided by 3, it is 11 rupees. So I purchased 10 and sold at 11 rupees. 1/10 is nothing but what 10% is a profit answer. So this is a method to modification of cost and selling prices also. Okay, so you have to intention to find what type of quantifier mentioned in question is a big task in profit and loss question. Okay, especially when you solving argumented data interpretation and CGL type 2 question, you have to focus on the quantifier nature is very important. Okay, so this is a model of the question. Let's go for the next question. Let's next question. If selling price is triple and cost price is double, the profit percent would become 80%. This is a previous year question. Find the percentage of profit. Okay, so here the quantifier is given. What is profit percentage? How much it is? 80%. 80% fraction is how much? Plus 4 by 5. Therefore cost price is 5 rupees and selling price how much? 9 rupees. Okay, so it is already doubled price. It is already doubled price. So if you difficulty to half of the price, you just keep 0, 50 rupees, it keeps 0, 90 rupees, because it's a ratio, it's possible. Okay, so it is already doubled price. It's already doubled price means what? Divided by 2, so gives how much? 25 rupees. It's already tripled price, divided by 3, nothing but about 30 rupees. Get my point? So if you difficulty in while doing of off and divided by 1/3, you just take their multiple, common multiple of 2 and 3 to get an easy answer. So now cost price is 20 rupees. 20 rupees, selling price is 30 rupees. Now upon 25 rupees, so upon 25 rupees, 5 rupees is a profit. Okay, upon 25, 5 rupees is profit, percent is 100. 25 how many times? 4 times. Now your answer is 20% is a profit. Okay, what is actual profit? So 20% is the actual profit of the answer. Okay, so cost price is 25 rupees, selling price how much rupees? 30 rupees. What is the profit? As 20% is the actual profit of the answer. Okay, so this is a method when change of cost price, change of selling prices. So you necessity to focus on what type of quantifier is given in a question. That is a major task in a profit and loss question. Okay, let's go for next question. Next, modification happen in price, not quantifier. Okay, and before the question we discussed as per change of quantifier, but here the price is changed. If here the two selling prices given and these two prices are compared. Okay, so if merchant sold at 1700, you get a loss which is half of the profit, when it's sold at 2000 rupees, and find the cost price of article. Okay, so don't try to do in a normal method, time taking. You just follow this concept. Okay, first I explain normal method, then I go for the concept. Okay, so first one, so a profit means selling price minus cost price. A loss means cost price minus selling price. First we get a loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, and profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So your loss, cost price, we don't know cost price, so take loss. Cost price minus selling price, how much it is? 1700. Here a profit, selling price how much it is? 2000 rupees minus cost price. Okay, so this is equal to, this loss is equal to half of the profit. Therefore profit is equal to loss. So the loss is equal to profit divided by 2. So substitute into this equation. Okay, profit divided by 2 is equal to cost to price minus 1700. Okay, profit is equal to 2000 minus cost price. Okay, now so substitute into this equation. 2000 minus CP divided by 2 is equal to CP minus 1700. Okay, therefore 2000 minus CP is equal to 2 times of CP minus 3400 is minus CP, left hand side it become 3 CP is equal to 5400. Now CP is equal to how much it is? 1800. What is the cost price of article? 1800 rupees is the right answer. When 5400 divided by 3 gives how much? 1800. So option D is the right answer. Okay, so the condition is here loss is equal to half of the profit. Profit divided by 2 give it a loss. So when I substitute into L value, so P by 2 is equal to CP minus 1700. When I compare this value, so you get an answer is 1800. This is a time taking normal method. You can answer this question with simple concept. Okay, so this is a method to answer the question. What is answer? 1800. Let's go for the concept. You can answer this question with simple concept. Some are trying to do with an average. Average concept does not work in all models, but this concept works in all models also. What is the concept it is? Here cost price is same. Get my point? Cost price is same. The first one, cost price is same. Okay, first selling price how much? 1700. Okay, you get a loss. And second selling price, okay, second selling price how much? It's a profit. What is this? 2000, it is a profit. Okay, so get my point. So simple fundamental, I take loss is two parts and profit is half of the profit means how much? 1. So loss means what? Minus. Okay, get my point. Here selling price minus cost price is profit. Here cost price minus selling is nothing but a loss. So if I take profit is two parts, because he got a loss which is half of the profit. Is it too possible to do half? Yes, it is easy to do half of 2. So therefore it is. I do difference. Difference means what? Highest minus lowest. Plus 2 minus of minus 1, how many pass? 3 pass. Difference, I do difference. Therefore difference of 2000 minus 100 gives how much? 300. So 3 pass 300, 1 part how much? 100 rupees. Therefore your loss is 100 rupees, your profit is how much? 200 rupees. Okay, so you can answer from this selling price to cost price, or this selling price to this cost price. Okay, 1700, when sold at 1700, what is the loss? 100. Therefore what is the cost price? 1800. When sold at 200, what is the profit? 200. What is the cost price? 1800. Either you can answer from the first selling price, or either you can answer from the second selling price. This is simple method to answer this question. Here at this profit I become 2 parts. What is the loss? 1 part, because half of the profit. So what is the difference of selling prices? Here difference 2 parts, here difference 1 part. Difference means highest minus lowest. Minus of minus become plus. Okay, so 3 parts is 300, 1 part is 100. So loss is 100 rupees, profit is 200 rupees. So therefore when you sold at 1700, loss is 100 rupees. What is the cost price? 1800. When sold at 2000, profit is 200. What is the cost price? 1800. Either you can answer from the first selling price or second selling price also. Okay, so this is a concept easy to answer in a modification of selling prices. If person sold an article at 1600 rupees, he got a loss, and 3/5 of loss is equal to a profit when it sold for 2400. A person sold an article at 1600 rupees, he got a loss, and the 3/5 of this loss is equal to a profit when sold for 2400. What is the cost price of article? Okay, so here loss is equal to cost price minus first selling price is 1600. Here profit is equal to 2400 minus CP. Okay, here profit is equal to, is specifically mentioned 3/5 of loss. I substitute into that equation, and now what is this? Okay, so I do in this one. Profit is equal to, what is this? 2400 minus CP is equal to 3/5. Loss is equal to how much? CP minus 1600. Okay, CP minus 1600. So do 5 times. 5 times of 2400 is 12,000. 5 times of CP is 5 CP, and 3 times of CP minus 4800. Minus 5 CP, get back to right hand side, get 8 CP. 8 CP is equal to minus 4800, get left into, shift into left hand side, it is 16,800. So the CP is equal to 2100. So this is a normal method to answer this question. What is the selling cost price of article? 2100 rupees. Okay, so we can answer this question with our concept also. Okay, let's go for the concept. Let's go for the concept it is. Okay, so here cost price is, and it is 1600, and it is how much? 2400. Okay, so let me do this simple method. So nothing but what? It is 3/5 of loss is specifically mentioned. Okay, 3/5 of loss specifically mentioned. So I take it as 1, it is 3/5. Okay, so loss is, I take loss is L, and profit is how much? 3/5. Okay, this is specifically mentioned in the question. Okay, this is L cancel, so it is 5:3. Okay, so if I take loss is L, what is the profit? 3/5 of L. Get my point? So why profit is specifically mentioned? 3/5 of loss. Okay, I take loss is L. I take loss is L. What is the profit? 3/5 of L. Loss means what? Minus. Profit means what? Plus. Get my point? So this is a method to answer this type of question. Okay, what is the difference? 8 parts. Okay, 8 parts. Therefore what is the difference of 1600 2400? So 2400 minus 1600 how much? 800. Therefore 1 part is equal to how much? 100. Okay, so here loss is how many parts? 5 parts. 5 parts means how much? 500. So here profit how many parts? 3 parts. 3 parts means how much? 300. So therefore 1600 plus 500 gives how much? 2100. Okay, so this is an answer. And 2400 plus profit is 300. What is the cost price? 2100. So you can either answer from the from 2400 selling price or 1600 selling price. Okay, in my point. So I take loss is L. What is the profit? 3/5 of loss. Okay, 3/5 of loss. Loss L and L both are cancelled. Loss indication minus, profit indication is plus. So minus minus 5 is to plus 3. So difference is how many parts? 8 parts. 8 parts 800, 1 part is how much? 300. Here loss is how many parts? 5 parts. 5 parts is how much? 500. Here 3 parts means how much? 300. Okay, so 16, when it's sold to 1600, you get a loss. Loss means indication minus. So if you want cost price, selling price plus loss. Selling price plus loss is how much? 2100. If you want cost price, selling price minus profit. 2400 selling price, what is the profit? 300. 2400 minus 300 gives how much? 2100. So you can answer any model, any question having this same model, okay, with this concept. Okay, I hope you understand.